How to apply uvdtf cup wraps, step-by-step instructions. Before we get started, first, if you are using glass cups, do not use sublimation cups. Second, do not use alcohol to clean your cups. Instead, wash with soap and water before applying the sticker wraps. Third, the only tools you'll need are a cup cradle and a good pair of scissors. The cup cradle and other tools I use is linked in the description below. You might also want a squeegee or something similar, but that is optional. Let's get started. Step 1. Set up your space and your tools. First, fit the uvdtf wrap around your cup. This is to get a good idea of where you want the placement to be first. Step 2. Set your cup down in the cradle with the wrap and peel back one edge of the sticker wrap. Take your scissors and cut off about 1 inch of the backing. Be careful not to let the sticker touch anything because once it's set, it's very much stuck. Carefully place the exposed edge of the sticker wrap onto the cup where you had decided for your placement. Step 3. I'm flipping it over for a better view. Slowly and carefully peel back more of the backing. Use the cup cradle to slowly roll the rest of the uvdtf wrap onto the cup, applying gentle pressure while rolling. You can see here that I'm using just one side of the cradle at first. This is because my cup has a handle on it that I can't roll over. Once I have enough of the wrap stuck on my cup, I place it onto the center of the cradle. Now I can roll the rest of the wrap onto the cup. Step 4. Use your hands to rub the uvdtf wrap onto the cup. This usually creates enough heat and friction to enhance the adhesion before peeling the sticky backing off. You can also use a squeegee or something similar like a credit card to help you press the design onto the cup. Step 5. Very slowly, and I mean very slowly, start to peel the sticky backing off. I like to fold over the backing as I'm peeling it off so that it doesn't accidentally stick onto parts that I don't want. Sometimes it can peel the design off again if the sticky backing touches it. So if any part of the design lifts up as you're doing this, carefully go back and press the design back onto the cup a little bit more and just try again. Do not rush and take your time with this step. I cannot emphasize that enough. This is where I use the squeegee to add a little extra pressure onto the design before I peel it off. If your design has really thin portions, it's usually a good idea to use the squeegee on those areas to make sure the design is really adhered onto the cup. Step 6. Be sure to wait 24 to 48 hours before handling or using the cup. This is to make sure that the adhesive has really bonded onto the cup. And that's it. If you have questions, please leave them in the comments and I'm happy to answer anything that I can. Thank you for watching.